Hey, we're in the shop. Before this video starts, I want to tell you the purpose of this video. All right, you're going to say, well, you showed me all those benches before, Adam. Well, let me turn this around so you can see why I sent you this. It's wintertime, so it's time now for projects. So hold on. All right, remember I built that one? And then last year, I built the bottom for that Harbor Freight top. I made it into a rolling. And then we rebuilt the old toolbox there. That was mine when I was my son's age, or 21 back then. I made this one. That was my first toolbox. So I restored it for my son. It's a Craftsman. Well, I'm gonna build a bottom bench. I mean, a whole, basically I'm gonna combine something like this with this and come up. And I needed some fresh ideas. So when I saw this rolling fabrication table, I thought about you guys and what I'll be doing this winter. So take this video, run through it, look at it. I'll put a couple of still shots in it of the same table in the very beginning. And then you guys, you know, if you get any ideas out of it to build yours. We're at the Tulsa Farm Show. We're at the Badass Workbench booth. I showed you it last year. This is something new they have here, is a little fabrication cart. And on one side it has for a 2-inch receiver here, you can slide in a vise. And the beer opener here, it has multiple shelves. Also it has holders for your grinders right here. This side it has holders for all your vice grips and clamps. And it also has a extendable, this table here folds back down. This model goes for, it is made in USA, Badass rolling cart, 1995, it's 1/4-inch steel plate top, 30 inches deep, 48 inches wide, 36 inches tall, 800-pound capacity. Now, the shelves are adjustable on this, and this thing rolls around like nothing. Also, it comes down from the rollers by clicking on this. It goes flat and stays solid, flat on the floor. Anyway, that's what Badass is offering this year, plus their normal tables. If you never had one of their tables, they hinge, heavy hinged, and open up this way. Made a video last year of it. This one's $4,610. And the bad of the bad is one over here. We'll go to that, but before we go there, we'll go over here. This one is somebody with a big budget, $11,050. It comes with a backboard, your bench. You can slide in for a vise there. All these cabinets that open up this way. All the drawers, pivot. This big top section here, all pivots. These things are made badass. And here's a double-decker one there. It is $11,950. 8-foot wide shelving systems up top. And this one, I like this one. It's an OSU color. It's $11,630. Comes with a backboard, and here's the vise system here that slides into all the tables. See, there you go. And this one also has a swing out seat. It's pretty damn nice, and a vise on the side, hole on that side. Anyway. Also, here's one of their chairs. Cup holders. And it's the Badass captain chair.